Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to install Steam on your Windows PC step by step. If you enjoy playing games on your computer, Steam is one of the most popular platforms where you can download, manage thousands of games easily. First, open any of your favorite browser and then in the address bar, type store.steampower.com. So type here store.steampowered.com. Simple. Click enter. This will open the official Steam website. On the top right side of the page, you will see a green button called Install Steam. Click on Install Steam, then click Install Steam, then click the Install Steam button or the download option over here. Start downloading the installer file over here. You can see Steam setup.exe file is rightly downloaded. Now if you click on the folder icon, you can simply click on Steam Setup. Click yes for the permission, click next, and here you have to select your language, and if you want to change the destination folder, you can simply do that by clicking on the browse. So I'm going to leave it as it is and simply click on install, and now the Steam is installed, and now you can see it's updating the Steam right now. Now minimize all the background tab, and now you can simply see your Steam is rightly opened, and now they are recording to sign in. So here you have to give your account name and give your password, and then you can simply click on sign in. If you have Steam app, then you can simply scan the QR code. From here you can simply log in. If you don't have any Steam account, you can simply click create a free account, and you can simply give your email address, confirm your email address, and save your country region, and then check the captcha. Check it over here, click continue. It will going to open the Steam for you in a very simple way. So this is the way you can simply install Steam in your computer device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.